That's how I fixed that. And there was carpet, you know, there's some marks on the carpet. Let's see if I can't find some here. There's some discolorations. Okay, let's get that one. See, sometimes maybe you can get by with spot cleaning your carpet. See these marks right here? It's from somebody sitting here at the couch drinking coffee. Oops, you know. I'm just using simple green, and this is a concentrate. I get it in a gallon container, and it's way cheaper to get it in a gallon container. Check this out. You get a gallon container like this, and this is fully concentrated. So then I take just a little bit of this. I put just a squeeze in the bottom of here. I don't have to put that much, and I fill the rest of this up with water. You buy one simple green like this at the store, you could spend $4 or $5. You buy one of these at the store, this is $10, usually $10 to $12, and this will make, who knows, 40, 50 of these? And this is $4 or $5? Hey, buy yourself a plastic container, buy yourself this, and you're good to go for many, many, many months. Okay, there's a tip for you. If you don't find one other tip on this video, I just saved you lots of money. Okay, I'm just going to spray this right on there, simple green. See there, that's gone. I'm going to do it just on this one line. I don't know if you can see it on the video, if you can tell that this line is a lot brighter than this line and this line, isn't it? I mean, I'm not going to go on the entire carpet to do that. If I got a big mark, see, I can do just the surrounding area like that. Now I see there's some there, okay? Just my simple green. It's already been diluted, and this is good for carpet. Check in a conspicuous area first where your carpet issues are, okay? Because you buy carpet, special carpet spot cleaner for $10. Here's some special carpet spot cleaner, simple green. This little much probably cost you 25 cents. There, I saved you some more money. Hey, it's all about saving you money on my channel, doing things on your own. Whenever you do something on your own, of course you're saving money that way too. All right, I've got quite a few more spots on this carpet, and I'll do more, but this video is not about how to clean carpet spots. It's just about showing you all kinds of different little things in this condo that I'm fixing, all kinds of things that maybe you've got certain things around your house that fall right into this category of the different things I'm doing. And if not, you can look on my channel. I've got over 2,400 videos right now, 2440 some odd, I think. Yeah, a couple years from now, I'll probably have 44 something. Okay, so there you go. I'm all out of breath now, but you know, I'm making a list. When I get something done, then I'll circle it as being done. I've got all this stuff up here. 2 blades, main. That's supposed to be main room, silly weenie. Main room, not main. Good grief, Charlie Brown. Okay, 2 blades, main room, 1 blade, spare room, 2 blades, master, 1 blade, main. What the heck? That's just my little cheat sheet for these ceiling fans. Now see this ceiling fan here? Doesn't it look nice? This